Hello everyone, this is Laura Milligan and I am excited to share with you my class to go for the month of September. I partner every month with my Canadian demonstrator friend Sherry Roth and we bring you these classes to go. This month features the Gorgeous Leaves bundle and there are several different options for this class, so let me tell you about them. The first option is $40 and that is for people that already have the Gorgeous Leaves bundle. You will need that to create our projects. So this includes over $29 in product, half a pack of the Harvest Meadow Designer Series paper, a package of brushed metallic adhesive dots, a full bolt of linen thread, and a package of the beautiful diamond weave ribbon. You will also get card kits lovingly prepared to create 6 different cards. Look how beautiful these cards are, the colors in these. You will have also plenty of extra product left over to make even more of these or cards of your own design. The price for that is $40. In addition to all of this and the card kits, you also get a PDF that you can print, and it includes measurements for each of the cards as well as a video for each one of the cards. You can stamp right along with us and complete your cards with us, almost as good as being in our own stamp rooms with us. You will need to provide your own adhesives, blocks, and you will need a die cutting machine for this class. The inks needed are Crumb Cake, Calypso Coral, Bumblebee, and the Tuxedo Black. We are happy to add those on if you need them to complete your projects as well, if you don't have those colors. If you'd like to add on the Gorgeous Leaves bundle, that is an additional $44, and we include that at catalog price, so that saves you on tax and shipping. So that will actually also qualify you for a free celebration reward of your choice. After you register, just let me know which celebration reward you would like. We also used the Inspired Thoughts word stamp set. This is $19, and I call this the I Want It All bundle. If you want it all, that would be an additional $19 for this, and it would include everything else plus the card kits plus the PDF with the measurements and the videos, and that would qualify you for 2 celebration rewards of your choice. And I will also thank you with a bonus gift of a package of the wonderful gems. So I will have registration information in the link below this video, and registration is open now and ends on September 15th. I hope you'll consider taking this class. The cards are gorgeous. It's a fun way to get ready for fall. That time is coming, and I hope that you will consider taking this class. Please let me know if you have any questions. As always, thank you so much, and I hope you have time to be creative today.